Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of access denied error on ChatGPT. So for that, we need to clear up ChatGPT's cookies on our browser, and let's see how we can do that. So for that, you need to click on the three dots on the top right corner, and here click on your settings. And in your settings, make sure that you are on privacy and security tab, and after that you will be able to see this option of cookies and other site data. Just click on it, and after that just scroll down and here click on see all site data and permissions, and here you need to type for OpenAI, and you will be able to find the uh, OpenAI's cookies over here. Just click on trash icon and clear up these cookies and refresh or restart your browser, and then again try to open up ChatGPT, and this should work quite fine with you. And if it is still doesn't work, then you can just go up on browser and search for a VPN, and it can be any VPN of your choice. So as an example, I'm showing you this VPN of Hotspot Shield. Just open it up and you can start the free trial, and you can also go for the paid version of it. And after that, just use this VPN and change your location, and again try to log in to your ChatGPT account, and it should be working quite fine. And this is how you solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.